Let's take a look at some work from number 6. Which shape does not show 6, and how do you know? Say your answers out loud. I heard you say that these two shapes do show 6 and that this shape does not show 6. How do you know? If I count up the total number of parts, I see that all of these shapes have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total parts. Don't they all show 6? I heard you say that these two shapes show 6 because they have 6 total parts and all of the parts are the same size. They're equal. This shape does have 6 parts, but all the parts are not equal. We can see that one piece like this is very, very small, while other pieces are much, much larger. The parts are not the same size. Remember, as you complete your exit ticket, remember that when we have fractions, the parts must be the same size. Keep this in mind as you are partitioning shapes to make your own fractions and when you're identifying unit fractions in shapes.